Friends, I'm so excited. Join me as I make a candle holder out of this terracotta pot. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I got this Fiskars circle maker at, I think, Michael's, and it was 50%. I mean, no, it was $11.99. And then look at this cutter I got. It was $7.50. What? I love it. So let me show you how I used that circle cutter. So I have a napkin, and I'm putting it on the fold. There's a line. I'm putting that on the fold, and then this is the little cutter part. Now I'm just measuring to see how big I need my circle. And so we're going to put our little cutter in the little well. I'm using it at the 5-inch mark right now. And then we press and go around. Okay. I went around twice, like I did it twice just to make sure. You probably don't need to do that, but watch this. Look at how awesome. It makes the perfect circle. Look at it. It's awesome. I love it so much. The napkin, by the way, came from Hobby Lobby. Then I decided, you know what, maybe the circle was a little bit too big. So then I went back and did the 4-inch one. And friends, then I discovered you could make circles and then make like an outline circle. I'm freaking out. It's so cool. There it is. Ta-da! All right, back to the project. Now we have our terracotta pots. I'm going to paint each one all in chalk paint. This is, I think the color is oyster. I didn't bother doing the inside of the pot part, but the saucer, I did the entirety of the saucer. Ta-da! Then once that's all dry, I added some Mod Podge to the inside of our little saucer thing. Perfect. And then I add our little circle that we did. Easy peasy. Well, it's easier said than done, right? I can never get anything on straight. So you'll see after it's a little bit off, but I'm a little off and I'm okay. It's fine. I did put a little top coat of the Mod Podge on that. And then once everything was dry, I start sanding because you know I love the distress vibe. And look at how cool it looks when you sand it. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. You can sand as much or as little or not at all. If whatever your decor style is, whatever you want. There are no rules here. It's perfect though. Look at how fun. I love it. And then I also did the bottom. I did the pot part and sanded that. Trust and believe, friends. I wanted to go a little bit crazier, but I didn't. I restrained myself and I'm really proud of myself. All right, so now, as you know, I can't use E6000. If you can, that would be great to use. I'm using this Liquid Fusion. It's the best option I have for a permanent glue. We have allergies. So I put that on, and then I put the hot glue on as well because we want it to stick right away. I have no time to wait to see if it's pretty. Then I add that to the saucer. Hope that it's straight. You know it's going to be off because I did it, but that's fine. But look at how pretty. What? And then a 4-inch, a candle from Michael's works perfect. And quit it right now. Are you kidding? Look at how pretty that is. And yeah, we did a candle and look at how pretty that is, right? Stay tuned for that one. That one's coming soon. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you. Now it's your turn. Come make something pretty.